If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hey Photos family, today we are coming back and looking at an example of a photograph that I shot in studio of a golf trophy. And today the question we're asking is, what is the location or the direction of light origin? But around the top of the jug here, there's some dark areas, and that was intentionally left because the very real sense is that this is being shot outdoors, right? So there's going to be some sort of reflection out here of the grass. There's going to be some reflection of the clouds in the sky. So there's not the desire for all reflection to be gone, right? You don't want this thing wrapped in white entirely so that you see nothing else but some slight gradation so that you get to see the engraving and everything else. You want to be able to see details of this jug, and you want to see that it looks like it's set in the environment which is being seen by the viewer. The placement of the lights is difficult because of how evenly it's lit around the sides and the front with that reflected white. That to bring out the edges of the jug, not to blow anything out, to get the gradation of gray, you're not directly lighting in a harsh white the edges or main body of the paper that's reflecting around the trophy. However, the lights themselves are diffused and they're coming back, I guess you could say about 90 degrees from the middle of the trophy, 90 degrees right and left. I guess angling back from the camera, if you're looking from the camera's view out to the lights behind the trophy, that would be perhaps more of a 35-degree direction out this way past the trophy, and 90 degrees more would be what, 125 degrees the other direction. So it's more like I'm lighting the back corners of the trophy, and then any light spillover from the lights on the wraparound white is where the gradation comes from. And then bringing that white reflection all the way up as high as I can, which is going to be somewhere above the trophy, but it's not like it's going all the way up to the ceiling either. I'm about 6 foot, a little over that, and so I had that top of that reflective paper about my head, top of my head level. And that way I could control it, which is important, especially with things like this that might be valuable. You don't want anything to damage them or anything to fall over and be damaged, period. So the important detail is that this is lit. There is light coming around the front, but this is silver also. It's reflective, and it has a great possibility of being overexposed very easily. And so the lighting that it has up front really is the object itself is being lit simply by reflection. So if what is being reflected in the trophy is lit, then the trophy will appear lit. Creating that look and that feel from the different golf channels that do very similar things with trophies as they introduce coming back into the championship activities or leaving for commercial break. They have very similar look and feels, although you can see the different networks that are airing this or otherwise. But generally, everything is being shot and provided by the Professional Golf Association. So that they have their own look and feel to the video as well. Recreating that look was a challenge, but it was a lot of fun too. And so the reason for reflecting light back into the trophy instead of directly lighting it from the front is it would have blown out, it would have overexposed the etching in the silver, and I didn't want to do that. I wanted to be able to create as much visibility as we could of what was engraved in the trophy both for the etching design of the claret jug, but also the names that were in the bands of metal below the claret jug. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a comment down below and a thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber, we would love to have your subscription and add you to our Photos family. Thank you so much. God bless.